How to fix Google Nano Banana aspect ratio in Gemini. So if you want to fix the Nano Banana aspect ratio, then just watch this video. If you're entering the correct prompt with the exact aspect ratio, but the results still don't match, then don't worry. This is a common problem. Here's how you can fix it. First, if you're using the image option, you can try disabling it and check the results. Like here, if you've selected create image, you can just simply turn it off or cross it, go with not now, and now you can try. If the issue remains, then try the alternative method, which is, for example, if you want a landscape aspect ratio, then search Google for a blank image. After searching, you'll get these kind of results. Go for a blank image with your desired aspect ratio. Then attach that blank image along with your prompt. This trick helps ensure your final result matches the exact aspect ratio. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.